Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Batul Masoud from Jordanian International Schools. Today we're going to revise the lesson that we have learned. It's about the changes to matter. So far we've learned 4 changes that we can do to matter by changing the temperature. We can change the matter from solid to liquid and then change the matter from liquid to solid. And we can also change the matter from liquid state to the gas state and from the gas state to the liquid state. To change the state from the solid state to the liquid state, this process is called melting. So from solid to liquid is called melting. This process needs heating. It needs to add heat. Now to change back the liquid to solid, from liquid to solid, it's like putting the water in the freezer to have ice. This process is called freezing. Excellent. Freezing. So from liquid to solid, freezing, we need to take away heat. It means cooling. So by cooling, we freeze liquid to solid, and by heating, we melt solid to liquid. We also learned how to change the state of matter from liquid to gas, by heating. So from liquid to gas by heating, and the process is called evaporation. It's called evaporation. To change the gas back to liquid, we need to cool it down, which means cooling, to take away heat. This process is called it's called condensation. So the opposite of evaporation is condensation. We also learned that the solid state in water, so the ice, takes up more space than the liquid water. So when the water freezes, it expands. Now I want you to open your science book, the physical science book, page 370, 371 and 372 to solve the sum it up. The physical science book. Okay. Here is the first question. I'll read the question and I'll give you time to answer it. Question number 1. Circle the answer. What happens when you heat liquid water? Adding heat to the liquid will make it evaporate or condense. Is it evaporation or condensation? What happens when you freeze water? When you freeze water, is it going to shrink or expand? Now write the answer to the riddle. You see me as morning dew or wet drops on a glass. I come around when water changes to a liquid from a gas. So this change is from a gas to a liquid, from a gas to a liquid. Is it evaporation or condensation here? You have to write evaporation or condensation. The change from gas to liquid. It needs to take away heat. It's condensation. Excellent. Condensation. Question number 3. Here I want you to draw a solid before and after it melts. You have to draw, for example, an ice cube and show me how it would look like after it melts. Or maybe you can draw an ice cream, chocolate, butter, whatever you want. Page 371, read the label in each box. Write to draw what happens to water during each change. You have to draw the process condensation. Is it from liquid water to gas water, or from gas, which is water vapor, to water? Evaporation, is it from water to water vapor or water vapor to water? Melting, is it from ice to water or from water to ice? Freezing, is it from ice to water or from water to ice? You can write it or draw it as you wish. Please, after you're done, take a picture of this page and the previous page and send it back to me on the assignments. Last page. In each box, write a phrase that tells the cause of the effect. The ice, when it becomes liquid water, did you take away heat or you added heat? So here you have to write add heat or take away heat. Ice to become liquid. Excellent, we take away heat. No, sorry, I mean we add heat. So ice to become liquid, we add heat. Water vapor to become liquid water. It was gas and it became liquid. We take away heat. The third one, liquid water to become water vapor. Do we add heat or take away heat? We add heat. So add heat, take away heat, and add heat. When you're done, please picture your answers and send it back to me. Thank you.